Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be making another soap. We are going to be making the peace sign. I can't wait. Let's get started.
Peace.
Okay, so I've got my supplies. You are going to be needing 3 blocks of soap base, 2 color tablets of the same color, and 1 different color tablets. So let's put it all in. I put in my soap blocks and right. You have to put in 1 soap block first and put in 1 of your color tablets. Okay, so I went ahead and poured in my soap. Ignore the other soaps. You want to try to get it into the deeper part only. And then after that, in the book, it said to let it dry for a few minutes. It should be able to dry very quick because it's a thin layer. Okay, so I washed my measuring cup, washed my knife, and now we're going to do the second part of the peace sign. So you're going to take the other 2 soap blocks and drop them into your measuring cup. You're going to take your 2 color tablets and you're going to drop them into your measuring cup. And since you've never seen me drop in my scent in, I'm going to do it in front of you. In you go, scent. Okay, so I poured, like I said before, ignore the soaps. So like I poured my soap mixture on top of the blue soap, and hopefully it will freeze together, connect, and it will become one big happy soap. So my soap is now dry, and it came out really good, the peace sign. And if you look up, it's like the yellow part is like deep and the green sticks out. I really like this. This is really cute. I will make one if I have enough soap blocks for myself. I hope you like this. Watch the other soap videos. Like and subscribe. Bye.